Hello guys, welcome to Software Design. Today I want to teach you how you can design a Jotter inner. So please stay tuned. And a Jotter inner is exactly what you're looking at here. This is the inside of a Jotter. So please stay tuned so that you can watch the end of this video. So I have my assets in the description as well. You can follow along with me. So first thing, you select the rectangle here. Click on it like this. You draw the rectangle and to fit the artboard like this, and then press P for it to centralize. Then you paste it. I've copied my own image from here. So you copy it, then you paste it. So this is my image. This is my image. Sorry for that. That's a phone call I just came in. This is my image in which I have on the screen here. So I will now reduce it to this form. I'll reduce it like this. So I want it to invert to face the other side. So we'll come to mirror here. There's mirror horizontally. Click on it. It's like this. So now we'll now readjust. So now these lines, we want to achieve these lines. First, you come to this pen tool here. Click on that pen tool. Or you can do with the picture. Let's power click in the image. Select object, come to power click here. Inside, then you power click. The picture is inside. Look at it here. Double click. Readjust so that you go into the power click. So to convert this picture into black and white like this, it's better to use grayscale. Double click. Click here. Convert to grayscale. You bitmap. Under the bitmap here, you come to grayscale. Select this one. Click on OK. So please. And the colors you're expected to use for these lines are CNYK. You come to the top right, see your CNYK. Once you see there, you see that you see C is 0, M is 0, then your K, which is the black, is 100%, that is the one you're supposed to use. Select your pen tool here and come. You draw like this. And then if it's small for you, you can increase the outline a bit. Then you can now select. As you select, hold your shift key and then you right click. As you're dragging now, you right click. And then you duplicate by pressing Ctrl D so that it comes down like that. So at this juncture, you can now see that the ones that are touching his body, you can now select it. And then you do away, you make some adjustments. You readjust them like this. So that's it. So select your whole lines. When you select your whole lines like this, right click on the CNYK black, right click on it, and then set as the color. Please set as the essence of this. Remove the outline. The essence of it is that when it goes in for separation, please, that separation technique is very important so that it will only select black. For instance, this is it. If you say Ctrl P to print, you can come here. Let's say you want to print, and then you click on color separation. This is the color separation. So click on color separation, apply, click on preview. So under the preview, if you come under here, you see that under cyan there's nothing, under magenta there's nothing, under yellow there's nothing, but under black you can see it. That is what we mean by separation. We'll talk that in a different video as well. So this is one way you can do. So now it's remaining the details which we can add now. Dr. Raphael. Let's move in. Dr. Raphael. Hola. Let's readjust. This is his name. So Dr. Raphael Hola. Let's readjust. I'm using the font Bebas. And then let's see their titles here. For him is MBBS. This one is MBBS BSc Moan. MBBS Moan. We're changing this one to Montserrat. So at this Montserrat here, change it to capital letter as well. Readjust it. Ola. Align it left. Let it. Then we can now write the date. For others, we can now write the date. This is very simple. We can now write the date 2nd June. 2nd June 2026. So please be sure that and ensure that it is aligned. As you can see from this side, see how it's aligned. We are dragging our rulers. If you don't know how to set rulers, I have a video on how to set rulers also. And then here, what is remaining? Congratulations on your oath taking / induction into the medical profession. For him, is the medical profession. We can now drag this one here, and then we'll write ours. Congratulations. Congratulations on your induction. Let's see, and oath taking ceremony. The oath taking is supposed to come before the induction for clearer understanding. Oath taking and induction into the medical profession. I stand to be corrected, and I think this should be the right spelling for that. Okay. Then we can now drag in like this. Then Ctrl K, so that we'll use bevels for this so that it will be very bold understanding. So this is simply for professional base. You're dragging for all alignment to fit in. So as simple as this design is, it goes a long way. It goes a long way to explain. It's very simple. So please, this is just the one way to design your Jotter inner. And then as you have done this, please select and also note that it's saying YK black, so that when you go for celebration, it doesn't give you any issue. So please, if you love this tutorial, please endeavor to subscribe for more. Thank you, and I hope to see you in our next video.